this real quick. I ain't about to see me driving manual. This shit about to be embarrassing. How's it going, everybody? Just waiting for him to take y'all out of there. Going into this house, you see him? This nigga's always forgetting something, man. It's okay, I forget stuff too. I'm putting the camera this way. I can see him. He gonna stall out. It's gonna be real funny. Nah, but I got the camera pointing straight at him. As you can see. Oh, I like how low this shit say. You say too low though. Yeah, I like some low. I feel like I'm a big dude, so like for this car, I gotta set all the way to the bottom. It lets off real low. So. Boy, back, man. Come on, son. That's watch out for the pedals. Oh, shit, I forgot your shit low. I mean, you can shut it down. You're gonna stay over here. See, I don't do all that. I ain't professional like you yet. Damn, son, it's been a minute since I drove a manual, bruh. This shit feel weird as hell. Damn, I might have to put my seat back a little bit though. I thought it was gonna be. Oh, nah, hell no. Too much. Damn. I get the right foot? Let me see. Get used to your clutch. Yeah, I had mine for 6 months, it was over. My pistons blew, all of that is over. Pistons blew, oil pan leaking, all of that. So your oil pump blew out? Nah, what you call it? Charger automatic, but I've been thinking about the Challenger, just for the fun of it, man. You know, you downshifting those, them shit sounds sexy. Challenger? Mm-hmm. See, the one thing I learned with my Mazda, I would keep my foot on the clutch at all times, and that shit would have my leg like shaky. Yeah, Max is speaking.
Hello, my name is Ashley. I'm calling you today because our records show you have been interested in ordering your information and possibly.
Damn, I like that sound, bro. That shit be sounding good. I got like 6 minutes. But Jermaine, you remember Jermaine from Rent Center? Of course not. This Byron. Yeah. Oh, Byron. Yeah. Where you at? I'm at Coast. Alright, just hit me up when you back home. Yeah, I couldn't look of them just because small cars always look good, especially when they drop. Oh, no, I'm gonna just let you do that now, champ. I ain't with all the gadgets and all that. So I'm gonna just bust and move around real quick. What's wrong with your reverse?
I don't know yet.
Yeah, hell yeah, I'll let you do all that. You telling me to do that, I might fuck something up, champ. Doing shit like that. Yo, that was crazy. Watch this nigga rig shit he got going on.
You put it in fourth first, like with the clutch down, and then you just hit reverse.
Oh, you put it in fourth, then reverse.
Alright, buddy, that was the Honda SC drive.
That was crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I was scared that whole ride. I ain't wanna be embarrassed and what you call it, stall out. So, matter of fact, it's gonna be end of this video because we're gonna chop it up. We're gonna do 2 videos in one, but we back to the car, man. We gotta finish the brakes on it. So hopefully all of the whole fucking battery and shit in the car. But yo, peace. Hope y'all like that video. Yo, this quick, man. What's the horsepower on it? You gotta hold it like that because it's upside down already.
Okay. This is my 2012 SI. I got the 18 JNC wheels on it. I got a little sticker decal. This is a daily driven. I got head spacers on it. Like I was telling you guys earlier, the 2015 has this whole part right here, this metal, all red. I just got the red stitching, which I love anyways. Got the SI emblem right there on the seat. Got a little carbon fiber, little decals right here. This is a sticker. This is not a real one, because if I would have had a real one, this also would have been carbon fiber. On this view, it looks like everything's viewing the driver, but when I get on the driver's side, it just looks normal to me. I don't know, must be a view that I have. Got the SI emblem in the front. The 2015, I love that face. It looks more aggressive, but the 2012 is not that bad either. They all come with fog lights, and I love how this spokes out. So we're gonna get into the motor right now. And I got the decals right here as well. Now this is the steering wheel, and like I said, it's a 2012. So not all that. The 2015s come with touchscreen radio. I still got buttons on it. It's got the SI emblem right here, the red stitching all through the steering wheel. I can control everything through these buttons. This is my cruise control. I can select the radio station, turn it up, skip this channel. This actually controls the monitor up here, which I'll show you as soon as I put the key back in. And right now I still got the traction control light on and power steering light on. I still got to take care of that. The TPMS sensors, because of the tires, I didn't put the stems on them. That was too cheap. Kind of problems. Now this is my VTEC gauge. This is my miles per hour. This is my gas. This is the little monitor I was telling you about. This button controls everything. That's my TPMS, my traction control, Visa. My door is open right now, and that's my monitor, which tells me how much power I'm using off the motor. That tells me everything that's going on with the car right now. That's my clock. That's the little decal I got going on, and my Bluetooth, and that's my gas. All right. Now this is my RPM gauge. That also tells me that, you know, I got my brake up, my VSA, my tire pressure monitor, and my power steering. Also my seatbelt. This radio is a navigation radio. I can do a lot with it. I love this feature. Now I'm gonna show you what's under the hood. I'm doing a little review. Yeah. It is very dirty under here. I did not even know this. Yeah. So right here I got my little K24. It's a 2.4. The older ones used to come with a 2.0. The 2.4 is a lot more torquier. It's just, you know, not what people prefer. The back end, this motor's backwards. So this is the air intake manifold. I got the Typhoon on there. And I got a new transmission, new master safe cylinder. You can't really see much. Yellow top battery, the best battery you can get. This is overview of the motor. It's horsepower right now. I'm thinking around 196. Nah, not yet. But stock comes with 201. So I'm guessing more bolt-ons. I do have one more feature to show these things. Which is, this is my Honda. This is how you tune these cars. If you want to have bolt-ons and just, you know, buy a manifold, exhaust, etc., etc., this is what you tune your car with. Now these computers are already tuned. All you gotta do is unlock them with this.
Oh, so that's what you was talking about. Old boy had.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, have you seen him? Come on, man. Look at that, man.
That's it.
I like it. It was nice to drive too. Even when it's dropped like that, it was. Even when it dropped like that, it was still smooth. The bumps on there, man. The bumps scary.
I got too hard suspension on this. I do not recommend.
We live in Rochester, man, New York State, man. The bumps out here, potholes are scary. So for him to be riding like that, man, that's a big risk right there, big risk. But that's it for that review, man. What's the year? I don't remember. 2012 Honda Civic Si, man. We got a lot more. Hopefully you got a lot more coming for this, bro, because it feel like it's quick. It's a quick little car.
I got the Q300 coming in. The Skunk 2 others on the back.
How much adders add to this car?
About 5-10 horsepower, which is pretty okay for this car. Like I said, full bolt-ons, you'll get 230 on this car.
Yo, come on, man. Rate my driving skills, man, from 1 to 10, man, because it's been about, I'm gonna say 4 or 5 years, man, since I drove a manual, and I ain't gonna lie, I was a little scared, nervous.
I was waiting for the stall out.
Yeah, I was waiting for the stall out, but you know, once you were a driver, you were always a driver, man. But that's it, man, for this video, man. We out, man. Peace.